Forgiveness is a new form of self-love. It's a new way of showing your self-worth. Hi peeps! Do you believe that? Because I do. You might think that, ba't mo naman patatawarin yung mga taong hindi nga humingi ng kapatawaran? Who's not even sincere on asking for your forgiveness? Who didn't even admit they did mistake? Who didn't even admit that they hurt someone? But peeps, forgiveness is the best gift that you can give to yourself. Because the more that you don't forgive, the more that you are ruining yourself. It will felt like you keep opening a wound and pouring a salt into it. You keep remembering everything that hurt you as if all of it just happened yesterday. At sa huli, you're the loser. Ikaw yung mauubos. And how about those people who hurt you? Siguro nga, nakalimutan na nga rin nila na nakasakit sila. Habang ikaw, umiiyak pa rin, nagmumukha pa rin, hindi pa rin nagpapatawad. So peeps, it might be hard to forgive those people, lalo na kapag alam mong hindi nila deserve. Just don't do it for them. Do it for yourself. Para makausad ka na. I know you're tired already. Give it to yourself as a gift. A gift of self-love and a gift of self-worth. Tama na yung pang-torture mo sa sarili mo sa paulit-ulit mong pag-aalala sa mga nakakasakit sa'yo. Forgive so that you can move on already. There's more things in life. Madami ka pang pwedeng gawin kesa. That's all you peeps. Thank you for listening.